Okay guys, I'm trying to get in the habit of vlogging more, so I'm carrying this around. I'm getting ready to leave. I have to go to town. I have errands to do. I have to get my nails done. I have to go to several places and pick up things that I need to take to California with me, supplements and stuff that I won't have enough of that are here, because I'm going to be gone for like 3 weeks. I have been pre-filming so that if I get too involved or don't have enough of the equipment or whatever there, I will have vlogs. I will have videos that go up. So I don't know how much vlogging I will do because I'm going to be running around like a chicken with my head cut off today trying to get everything done. But I will try to remember to vlog a little bit more. So I will check back in somewhere today. Hey guys, I just thought I would come on and let you guys know I didn't put a vlog up last week because I didn't have time to do any vlogging. So I have one little clip that I'll put in here, but it's useless. I may not put it in here. Anyways, today is the day that Mom and I were supposed to fly to California. We were supposed to leave this morning at 7 a.m. Yesterday, I was going to pick her up from Wildwood. That's where she's at. That's the facility. And they called me in the morning and said she had a bloody nose and they couldn't get it to stop. And so they ended up sending her to ER because they couldn't get it to stop bleeding. And when she got there, the ER realized that her blood pressure was extremely high, and she doesn't have a problem with high blood pressure. So they actually had to put her on a medicine for the high blood pressure to bring it down, an intravenous one. And so they decided to admit her. So I had to contact the airlines and the hotel and everything, and I ended up paying like an extra $900 just to change the flight from yesterday to today. It was ridiculous, but what can I do? I think that's why they do it. Even though it was a medical emergency, they still charged an extra $379 per ticket. Plus, I of course bought the insurance because I didn't know for sure she would get out today. The doctor made it sound like he was going to control the blood pressure with medications. He thought that was not going to be a problem because she has never had a high blood pressure problem before. But I just wasn't willing to risk it again because of the pretty much $400 a piece that it cost us to, and that includes, that does not include the price I already paid for the tickets in the first place. It's ridiculous. I did put in for a refund on all that they charged us since it was one day and it was a medical emergency, but of course I have no idea. We'll get that back. I hope so. So anyways, I am now on my way to town to fill up my car with gas. And then I'm going to go pick her up from the hospital. We're going to go up to Kansas City, spend the night in a hotel because our flight is 7 a.m. in the morning. So I didn't want to, and it's 2 hours to Kansas City, so I didn't want to have to drive that at 4 o'clock in the morning or 3 o'clock or whatever time I would have to leave. So we decided to get a hotel there, spend the night, and then go from there. Luckily, it is a 3.5-hour nonstop flight, so we're good. And then I will be in California for 1 day less than I was gonna be, but still, it's still good. It's all good. I'm just so happy that she's better now because she had been having some bloody noses, but they started when she's also been getting up on her own and falling down. She hasn't been getting hurt other than the one time when she was trying to get up, she bumped her nose and she got a bloody nose. And then ever since then, she's been having bloody noses. I don't know why she's got high blood pressure. I don't know what that's about. I guess it could be about she doesn't drink hardly any water while she's there. So I told her, you're going to end up with a UTI if you don't start drinking. But I'm not there all the time. So anyways, that's where we are now. So I'm going to go get her and we're going to go off to the hotel and then off to the airport, and I probably will vlog a little at the hotel. I don't know if I'll be able to vlog any at the airport because I have to push the wheelchair, so I can't hold the camera, and plus the fact that I'd get the back of her head. Anyways, we'll see. I'll vlog what I can, and then once we get to California, I'll be able to, because my sister and her husband are picking her up at the airport, and my daughter, the one that's going to have the baby, is picking me up, and I'm going towards Palm Springs, and she's going towards San Diego. So she's going to her new home. I hope she loves it. I hope she makes a lot of friends. She was actually just starting to get settled in to Wildwood, but it was recent, long after we had already started the process of getting her a place in California. But she's still really excited about going to California, so she just forgets sometimes. Anyways, I will check in later. Alright guys, this is my granddaughter, and today is her birthday. She is 11 years old, and we are going to be doing a treasure hunt. So come along.
That's my, it starts right here on
right
this.
there. That's my grandson. He's crazy.
Very.
Okay, now I have to
Read it
go.
out loud where we can hear you.
My turn. With all the gifts
There
God
he
gave
is.
me from heaven, one of my favorites just turned 11. Looking back through the years, your first treasure will
reside among the beers.
I got that on tape. And that's my beautiful daughter who's going to give birth in about
4 days.
4 days. Oops, I cut your head off. Sorry.
So you think you are grown going into the beer. Now you are busted, woman. Go get
What did it say? Go get
the spoon.
Oh, you're getting a spanking.
I just don't.
Turn around.
Your next treasure is hidden on a machine you never use, seeing as now you are busted on your birthday. Hint. Your ass is grass.
Mommy's my birthday.
Your birthday.
Well.
It's not your birthday.
What machine I never use?
For grass.
That has something to do with grass.
The long one?
I would go that way.
Okay.
Hey.
Okay, babe, you have been punished enough. Next, you can find your treasure where you make your favorite drink.
Read for comedian.
Really?
That was a grandson too. I forgot. Yes, this is a grandson too. He doesn't enjoy birthday party action.
Here's all your guys' dividers.
Loving you is so easy peasy, but it's. Where am I going?
Lemon squeeze.
Where else
What
would you
is-
find lemon?
Huh? Yeah.
Just let her look. She'll figure it out. If she doesn't find it wherever she looks, she'll have to look somewhere else. I wanted him to be a lot harder.
Yeah, Grandma tried to make it hard.
Oh, this one's. Okay, I was wondering because Kiko was right there. Okay, life can be tough, but you are tougher. Getting older is fun, and you rock it with the perfect bun. Find your final treasure where you do your hair. Your bathroom or my bathroom?
Actually, Maddox hid him for me, so we'll see. Your guess is as good as mine. I'm just recording her so I have her treasure hunt.
Let me see.
You are so special and wonderful. What does that say? Oh, I'm so proud of you and everything you do. I love you, Princess. Happy birthday.
Yay!
He is 11.
You're welcome.
I'm not sure.
I don't know if I got you. This is a granddaughter too. Good morning, everyone. It is Friday, the 10th. This is the day she was supposed to have the baby, but her doctor is on vacation, so they postponed it. It's a C-section, and they postponed it till Tuesday the 14th. So we have a doctor's appointment this morning. That's where we're headed. And it's at like 8:30, which is ridiculous for me. I don't ever do anything by 8:30, which is why I don't have any makeup on. That's why I put my glasses on, so you guys don't have to look at my eye bags and stuff. Anyways, that's the plan. We are off to the doctor. We're going to get this baby out, hopefully before Tuesday, but if not, Tuesday. So, I'll just come over here and let you guys see our mama that's still pregnant. There she is, still pregnant. Just a few more days,
Yes.
though. Hopefully we'll go in and they'll find some reason to do it now.
Get her out.
We don't need her doctor. Yeah. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Do you want Fiji to come out?
I'll be right in, okay? Okay, thank you.
How come? Is she ready?
Do you want to hold her? Yeah, that's why. And kiss her?
And share your honey bun with her? And show her your videos? You are not very photogenic right now. I'm trying to take pictures of you so I can...
YouTube.
Do you want to be on YouTube?
Pico,
Well, then look at the camera. I'm going to put this on YouTube.
talk to Grandma.
Tell me what you want to do. Why do you want baby Fiji to come out? So you can play with her? Because is that what I didn't even understand that. Because
Turn the phone off so you can talk to Grandma.
yeah, talk to me about Fiji.
It's not raptor.
Look at that raptor.
Yeah. Do raptors eat honey buns? They eat suckers, huh?
It's not T-Rex.
So look at me when you say it. Turn this way. So you can look at your phone, but put your phone over here so that I can see your face. There. Oh yeah, look at that raptor. Eating a honey bun.
Does Fiji like raptors?
T-Rex.
T-Rex.
Oh, sorry. Does Fiji like T-Rex? Does Fiji like honey buns?
Now we do this for 15 minutes.
Oh, okay. Let's see.
Every Friday.
7:51. I'm not going to record 15 minutes. Oh, yeah.
But they might, because she's only at 125, 124. But it's more of how many times she moves, if she moves a lot.
So, no good news. She's still coming on Tuesdays, according to them.
Yeah.
But we have decided we're not waiting till Tuesday. We don't know how, but she's coming out. Hopefully tonight. We'll keep you posted. Sunday the 12th, we are getting ready to go on our daily 2-mile run. Yes, I'm 60, and yes, she is 9 months pregnant. And if we can do it, anybody can do it.
That's right.
All right, so we'll check back in later in the day. Okay, guys, run done. Now we just need to have the baby. And she said that the baby was super low,
And maybe
and it was very uncomfortable to run. So today's the day. We're gonna have the baby.
come out.
We'll check back in when we're going to the hospital. Okay, guys, I just thought I would come in and give you a little update on Mom. So I did not get to vlog any of the trip because when I picked her up from the hospital, it was just a little chaotic. And then by the time we got to the hotel, it was late. My daughter brought us dinner, so they were there. And by the time they left, we had to get to bed because I had to get up at 3 o'clock in the morning in order to get ready. And then checking in, it was okay, but it was too much for me to vlog and push her around because it was just me and her. So I didn't get to vlog any of the trip. And then when we landed in at LAX, it was a madhouse there trying to get her with my sister into her car because my sister hasn't done anything with her, so she really didn't know how much she could do on her own and how much she had to help and how to help her and stuff. So I had to do that while we're still trying to keep 2 cars because they won't let you park for 2 seconds at LAX if you're not loading and unloading. So anyways, it was just really hectic. So I didn't get to vlog any of that, but they did pick her up. They did take her to her new place, and I got a call from the speech therapist there to find out what she could do and what she couldn't do, because I guess they got information from the hospital, but it was so old because they said they had her on a soft liquid diet, and I'm like, why is she on a soft liquid diet? And the speech therapist was like, I'm helping her with her swallowing. I'm like, she has no problem swallowing. She's fine. We're past all that. And she's like, oh, that's so good to know. I'm like, no, she can eat everything. She doesn't really like, potato chips and nuts because she doesn't have top teeth and she doesn't want to wear her dentures, which is fine because she hasn't worn them since the stroke, so they would probably be painful at this point. But anyway, I'm like, she doesn't need a soft diet. She'll just pick out what's too crunchy or whatever for her. But she can eat anything, and she doesn't have any problem swallowing. She takes tons of pills and she swallows them all just fine. So anyways, I got all that to the speech therapist, and she asked a bunch of other questions, and she also said that she only had my phone number as the only contact information. And I'm like, well, that's not right, because they're the ones that set the whole thing up with your facility. So you should, she goes, well, maybe that's just not in the part that I can get into. She said, I will check into that. And they haven't called me back, so she must have figured it out. Because she asked about physical therapy and did we want to continue with it. And I'm like, you need to talk to my sister now. Because everything going forward is going to go through her. And so they must have figured it out and contacted them. Because I haven't heard from them, but I talked to Katie, my daughter that's going to have the baby. And so I think that after she has the baby, we are going to, probably like a week after she has the baby, once she can travel, we're going to go down and see Mom and take the baby and let her see the baby and everything. And then I will try to vlog that because there will be a lot more people around that can help and stuff. So I will get that. That'll probably be in 2 weeks because she doesn't have the baby yet. Probably going to have to wait till Tuesday like they scheduled it. Anyways, next week's vlog will definitely have the baby in it. And then the next week I should be able to have the baby and Mom in it. So anyways, I just thought I'd update you guys on that because I couldn't vlog at all on the trip. It was just a little too much for me. Taking care of Mom and trying to vlog was too much. Couldn't do it. So anyways, I'll get better. But I'll just get help. And if my husband had come, we'd have been fine, but he has to work. So anyways, I will check back in later with more stuff. Hopefully, we're still hoping the baby comes. But this vlog will go up today. So I will probably come back and do an ending for it. And then, actually, no, this is the ending. I'm just going to put this in at the end since I've updated you guys. And I'm putting some stuff in with my grandkids. And a doctor's appointment with my daughter, which you guys have already seen because this is the ending, right? Never mind. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Stay cool.